Russell.
Yes.
What are you guys doing?
Our best. No kidding. Well, we are doing our best, but this dash part so we can wrap the wood grain, carbon fiber.
Older Model S's come with this wood grain. You know, it's classy. But for some people, obviously, it doesn't match their vibes, which I totally get. So we're wrapping this. Just keep in mind, though, if you have the wood grain, since it's not perfectly smooth and you have like the grainy texture that you can feel, that will sometimes show through to the vinyl. So it will look kind of like carbon fiber slash wood in a sense. But obviously, it still looks way better than this if you don't like this. We've done this before on another Model S, not with carbon fiber, with a different design, so you can check that out on our channel. But today we're doing carbon fiber. The end results look great. Changing from wood to carbon fiber really adds to that modern feel to the interior, as well as making it feel a lot sportier. The sunlight shining on the carbon fiber during the day gives it that premium futuristic look, and hiding the wood also turned out great. It really isn't that noticeable with this wood pattern, and you really have to look for the texture to see it, otherwise the surface looks pretty smooth.